Feeling frustrated? You want to smash your guitar to bits? You wonder, how can I be a better guitar player? Later in this video, I'll share 2 crucial elements to help you succeed. Yay! It's time to unleash your inner guitar wizard. Today we start a new series designed to help you be the best guitarist you can be. More like an adventure rather than a course. Of course, we'll learn important technical topics, but this journey is more about you as a creative being and how it comes out in your guitar playing, songs, and music production. Remember, technique is just a tool to help your artistic expression. Wow! This adventure is designed for guitarists of all levels, from pre-intermediate to advanced, with tips that can benefit any player, regardless of style. We'll dive deeper and push your skills beyond your expectations. While some advanced techniques will be explored, even beginners can gain valuable insights. These videos will be companions to the upcoming Unleash Your Inner Guitar Wizard course that I'm creating. Our email and comment discussions will influence its development, so please join our email list. Click the link in the description below. We'll have more in-depth one-on-one discussions. Remember, later in this video, I'll share 2 crucial elements to help you succeed. So let's get into it. First, what does better mean? Better can mean many different things. For some, it's faster playing, better finger picking, better slide guitar, better rhythm playing, and so on. This journey is all about you. What do you want to achieve? But in order to really explore what you want to achieve, you need to have a solid foundation to start from. Number 1, learn the basics. How to hold a pick, fretting, picking, playing chords, single notes, tuning, etc. We won't cover the basics in this video or course. There are plenty of videos out there to learn all of this. I think most of you aren't beginners, but if you are, please spend a few months on the basics. Music theory, scales, chords, melody, harmony, rhythm, etc. Do you have to learn theory? Yes or no? A necessary question. When I was a kid, I'd read all this theory terminology in guitar magazines, so I was very curious to learn what it was. I went to the library when I was 17. I got a theory book, read it, and made my own theory guidebook. For me, it was what I wanted to know, not a part of any class or course that I had to learn it for. After having learned it, I would definitely say yes, you should learn it. Why is it important? It opens up way more possibilities. The more you know, the more options you have. It gets you moving much faster when writing music. Knowing what music is made of is essential, and you can use any portion of it for your own purposes. You don't have to follow its rules. That's part of the fun. Use it and break its rules at the same time. Led Zeppelin and all the greatest bands did this. They knew the theory so well, they were able to do whatever they wanted with it. While I was learning advanced theory and harmony in college, I started learning about the Northern Indian musical scales and systems. My dad got me some books during our trips to New Delhi. There's a very different spiritual core to the purpose of music and musicians. It's about obtaining ultimate knowledge through music. In the course, we'll delve into using theory for creative composition, as well as exotic scales and musical systems. Okay, it's time to share those 2 crucial elements for success. These 2 elements are essential to having a solid foundation for your journey. First, tablature and fretboard mapping. I'm gonna skip music notation because tab is better for guitarists. The guitar is unique in that there are several places to play the same note, unlike many other instruments where there's only one place to play a particular note. As a guitarist, you need to be able to read and write tab well. Click the link in the video description below to download the free tab and fretboard map PDFs I've made for you, available in both US letter and EU A4 sizes. It's so crucial to do the physical act of writing tab and maps. You'll get benefits you never imagined. This is why I wrote all the tabs and maps in this video myself. I didn't use the tab software. I wanted to show you how important it is. If you want me to do a video on tab software, let me know. Drop a comment. Guitar tabs and fretboard maps are two different things. Tab is written showing you how to play in a linear format. There are no fret lines on the grid. You simply play the notes sequentially the same way as standard music notation, left to right. Familiarize yourself with all the details of writing guitar tablature, bends, slides, chords, etc. Fretboard maps are just that, maps of notes, chords, and scales, not instructions on how to play anything. Maps contain fret lines. This helps you visualize the fretboard. First, map out the notes of the whole neck in tablature, 21, 22, 24, and beyond. Here's an example showing the first 5 frets. Continue mapping the rest on your own. Then map out all the major and minor scales for every key. Here's an example for the 5th fret position, the A minor scale. I learned all the major and minor scales, the modes, and their interrelations to each other. Here are the A minor pentatonic and blues scales at the 5th fret position. In the course, we'll dive deeper into the modes, melodic and harmonic minor, and other fun scales. You must know every note on the fretboard without even thinking about it. Even though frets 12 through 24 are the same notes 1 octave up, still write them down. You have to visualize them on both halves of the fretboard. The more scales you keep mapping out, the more you'll start to see them merge together in logical and unique ways. The benefit of going through this process is beyond words. The second crucial item for your success: practice, practice, practice. This is an old saying that goes way back. It's just true. Your mind, body, and soul should be connected through your hands to the guitar. There's no shortcut. You have to spend years at it. Hours a day. Definitely many hours a week, and yes, weekends too. Besides, why wouldn't you want to play as much as you can? You must create the notes and ideas yourself. That's what it's all about. And to be able to do that requires years of hard work, dedication, love, fun, excitement, and adventure. There are plenty of apps out there to help you practice and learn the basics. Go do it. Practice the physical aspects as well as learning of theory and concept. Both require your full attention, focus, and dedication. You have to synergize your knowledge of notes, theory, fretboard mastery, etc. into your playing, with the goal to have such a good natural grip on these things that they become second nature, as easy as brushing your teeth. Here are a few exercises to get your fingers moving. Remember, it's important to learn to use all 4 fingers. Start slow and speed up over time. And it's always good to have a metronome or click to play to. I like having simple song loops, which are much more fun than a click or beeping metronome. Here's a simple chromatic exercise, using all 4 fingers. And here are some variations. Make up your own variations. 2 notes, 3 notes, 4 notes. Remember to take it easy. Don't strain yourself too much. Stop if it becomes too painful. Make sure to take care of your fingers, wrists, hands, and arms. You want to improve yourself, not injure yourself. Besides, if you get injured, you won't be able to play for a while. After a year or 3, it'll be like riding a bike, effortless. Then you can really get to another level of freedom of expression with your playing, which is what practice should help you attain, freedom of expression. In the end, the video and course are only catalysts and guides. It's up to you to do the work and have fun exploring. Now that we've got the basics, let's use them to start exploring new musical adventures. Today we started our journey towards being a better guitar player. We learned how important tablature, fretboard mapping, and practice are to a solid foundation. This is only the tip of the iceberg, part of your lifelong voyage as a guitarist. Happy explorations! Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you immensely. I had a blast making this video. I'm looking forward to our discussions. Don't forget to subscribe and drop comments. How did you get started playing guitar and learning music? Then hit the bell to get updates on future videos. Remember to click the link in the video description below to join our email list for bonus tips and course updates. Have an awesome creative day.